Hi everybody and happy 4th of July. Or should I say happy America Day. And today's a good day. So I got some good shots of some fireworks being shot off, but before I show you that, I took a little stance on July 3rd when Donald Trump, our president, made a speech at Mount Rushmore with the fireworks. I did something that a lot of people love on my Instagram, so I'm going to show you what I did. Roll the clip. See, folks, there's been a lot of danger going on in our country right now, and 4th of July is a little under attack. And one of the groups behind it is this group, Antifa. They claim to be anti-fascist, but all they are is anti-American. And they're well known for burning our American flag. So I think I'm going to return the favor and light theirs on fire. Burn, motherfucker, burn. Fuck you, Antifa. You will not get away with destroying our country. You will not win. Another bad flag that Antifa flies is this one. The reason I really hate Antifa is because, well, they're strong communists, Marxists, and they really hate our American way of life. And since I hate communism and I happen to be pro-capitalist, this is what I got to say about communism. Burn, baby, burn. Ooh, that's hot. Yeah, nice and toasty. There's also another well-known terrorist group that's known to have joined an alliance with Antifa. And that's Black Lives Matter. They're known for assaulting our men and women of police officers, saying that they want to fry them because they're pigs in a blanket and they want to fry them like bacon. And to that, I say no. Since you want to destroy our cops, that's what I got to say to you. Yeah, baby, look at that go up in smoke. Ain't that beautiful? Because they're wanting to take away 4th of July too, but we won't let them. Oh yeah, nice. As we all know, some members of Black Lives Matter are trying to fight for gay rights, but they don't know true, real rights for the people. Try to tell us how to live our lives here in this country when they can't simply just walk out and leave. Some are even saying that you should fly rainbow flags and wear rainbow instead of stars and stripes for 4th of July. But since they're known for burning my stars and stripes, I'm going to burn their rainbow right now. Right here in this clip, I was at my friend's house, and they asked me to raise the Betsy Ross flag for him. And since I happen to love America, and that was the flag that was created in 1776, I rose the flag for America and for us, the people of the United States.
Give it a good old wrap. Right?
Hope you enjoyed that. Now enjoy the compilation of my neighborhood fireworks.
Down here now it's
Yes!
Yeah!
Woo!
Trump for more years.
there you go.
Nice.
There you go.
Oh yeah, got that one. Oh, another
Yeah.
one. Woo! Oh yeah. When the city won't shoot off fireworks, the people
Beautiful,
will.
man. Look at all the lake. I mean, it's gorgeous out there.
Woohoo!
That's over there.
No one can tell St. Cloud that there won't be no fireworks. Just look around. Look at that. This is our country. We get to shoot them off.
Popcorn machine.
Look at that.
It is the.
There we go.
There you go. Yeah! Yeah, baby. That's about as good as St. Cloud would have done.
And they say we can't have fireworks.
Stick it.
Ba-da-ba, ba-da-ba.
There you go, man.
Yeah, baby. Hey, Dad,
All right.
what did they say? What'd they try to tell us, huh? Tell them.
Try to shut us down. You don't shut down America. What we say to you? Not anything else in this life, but right here.
Yep. Woo!
Freedom. People, the people.
Of the people, by the people, for the people, America!
Yeah, baby.
Hey,
That's
Father.
awesome. It's awesome.
Father, what does this mean?
What?
What does all these fireworks mean when the government
This
says
means a fucking landslide for Donald J. Trump, my friend.
That's right.
We're not playing around anymore. We want our country back. We're done.
Tell him, Father.
Done with the liberalism.
That's right. And no communism either. Ooh, there you go.
Every life matters, so cut the
All
crap
lives
out.
matter. Stick it, Antifa. Heck, they tried stopping Donald from getting to Mount Rushmore, but they took their vans that they stole and tried to block the road with, and they failed, and they ended up getting themselves arrested. So they accomplished
It was
nothing.
only 15 people.
I know. It's like so little, and the media always inflates it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Want a beer?
Nope.
No?
No, I'm kind of...
Fire in the hole!